I've been sitting here trying to figure out how to do my intro. I haven't made a video in about 3 weeks, almost a month. I decided to take a little time for myself and also just spend time with my kids and just enjoy the summer. I've been up to a bunch of things. I also dyed my hair, as you guys can see. But anyway, in today's video, I decided to pick up this new collection from Kylie Cosmetics. This is my very first ever purchase from Kylie Cosmetics. I'm super excited to share with you guys all these products. So I purchased her eyeshadow palette. This is the Kylie 24 Pressed Powder palette. This is the carton here, and the palette looks identical. She looks gorgeous. So the reason I wanted to pick up this palette is because you have your everyday shades in here. This is a palette I'm just going to be picking up on an everyday basis. I have all the colors that I need in here. So it also does come with a really good size mirror, as you guys can see. I have to remove the little plastic in here. This palette is a little bit pricier. I think it's like probably the same as your Huda Beauty palettes, but to me it was worth it because this is a palette I see myself using quite often. I still haven't tried it, so we're gonna try it together. I also picked up her lip gloss set. It comes with 4 lip glosses in here. I'll share with you guys the swatches in just a minute, but this is what I got. And then the last thing that I decided to purchase is her liquid eyeliner duo. So you have 2 liquid eyeliners here, and I believe they are glitter liners. So I've just been looking for glitter eyeliners for quite some time. I was almost going to cave in and get the Urban Decay glitter liners, but when I seen her collection came with some, I really wanted to get these. So I'm going to take you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to achieve a beautiful eye look using this collection, and I'm also going to share with you guys the swatches. So let's jump into the swatches first. Here are the swatches of the palette. This palette, by the way, I don't think I mentioned, is $60. If you guys are interested in purchasing the palette, I'm going to have the products that I mentioned listed down below in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. But as you can see, all these shades are so beautiful, and I'm showing you guys row by row because there's 24 shades in the palette and it doesn't all fit into my short little arm. The shimmers are so gorgeous, and I'm so looking forward to playing with this and sharing with you guys multiple looks. Make sure you guys do follow me on my Instagram so that you guys can see more looks using this eyeshadow palette. I might make another video showing you guys 2 looks using this palette, but today I'm just going to show you guys my first impression of the palette. So now let's go ahead and move on to the Lip Shine Lacquer. These here are the 4 shades that come inside of the little set. I love all of these. That's why I really wanted to get this. You guys should see I have 3 drawers full of lip glosses and lipsticks and all of that. I really didn't need it, but they're so pretty that I just had to. But let's move on to the liquid eyeliner duo. These glitter liners are gonna amp up your cut creases. So if you love doing cut creases, I highly recommend these. They sparkle so pretty, and we're definitely gonna be using them in today's look. So brace yourselves. Now let's go ahead and jump into a little tutorial.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you. Set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be.
Okay, we're gonna probably start off with the darkest shade from the eyeshadow palette. The one I'm gonna use is called Moments in Time. I'm packing this eyeshadow, rounding it off to my eye shape, as you guys can see here. It's really pigmented. I'm not noticing too much fallout. I'm making sure that I'm tapping it off as I'm dipping it into the palette to avoid that fallout, but like I said, I'm not experiencing any fallout, like very little specks, but it's fine. I am working the edges now very lightly. We really want to keep the intensity right in the crease area because we're going to be using the glitter liners to make our cut crease really pop. And I feel like most people, I mean, this is more of a goldy palette. I want to do something different, so hopefully nobody's done this look. Let's move on to the next shade. I am going to be going into the color Pull Up. No, I kind of want to do Winning. Let's go into Winning, and that's this shade right here. It's a mauvey brown kind of color, so I think it'll work. I'm going to be using a semi-fluffy packing brush and dipping into that color Winning. We're going to go ahead and overlap this shade on top of the previous one. And slowly we're just going to start blending everything out to perfection. That was the right choice. I'm loving that color. So just keep working the outer edges to really blend everything as seamless as possible. For the next color, I really am drawn to the color Here for It All. I think it's going to make everything look a little bit more on the subtle side right here on top of that previous shade. So we're just going to get in there and just blend, blend, blend. I do tend to overlap a lot of the colors, but that's just how I feel like it blends the best. I'm loving how well these are blending. I'm going to go back into the dark shade called Moments in Time. Forgot the S. And we're going to intensify the crease more because I feel like we lost a little bit of that pigment as we're overlapping the colors. And then once again, we're going to go into Winning and just make sure we're still having everything blended. We are going to go into the color 24, and that's the second shade from the palette. This just makes a good color for the brow bone. We're just going to highlight right in here. Yes, look at that. Okay, so now let's move along to cutting the crease, which is the fun part. I'm taking a cleanser on a little Q-tip, and I'm going to begin to remove all of the eyeshadow from the crease. I mean from the eyelid, not the crease. And just like that. Okay, now let's go in with our eyeshadow base. This one here is from Glamlight. I got it with the Michaela collection. If you guys missed out on that video, I'll have it linked up here if you guys want to see a little tutorial using that eyeshadow palette. I think I did 2 looks using that palette, so go ahead and check it out if you want to. I'm going to take the Morphe, what is this brush? The Morphe M250 brush, and I'm going to cut the crease. Now with a flat brush, I'm going to begin to fill in underneath the guide we just created. That is looking really pretty. Now that we have our cut crease, we're going to go in with a flat brush. Let me find the perfect one. Okay, this one, the Sigma E56 brush, and I'm going to take my first shimmer shadow from the palette. This one here is called Love It Here. You want to make sure you're staying right underneath the guide we created. I don't know if I've been filming the entire time with my face looking like this. This is the reason I haven't really been making videos as well. I'm using medication for my acne, and I'm starting to peel. Like, my entire jawline is starting to peel. It doesn't do well with makeup, so I've just been staying away from makeup in general, and it burns whenever I put anything aside from like my skincare stuff. So I'm doing this for you guys, and also because I'm so excited about this collection. Like, so far I'm loving it. But we're gonna go ahead and put a little bit more foundation here because, girl, we're falling apart. Look, I'm even, like, I have freaking acne on my freaking neck. Ugh. My mom, when I seen her like a couple weeks ago, she was like, "Oh, you look really classy with a freaking hickey on your neck." I'm like, shut up, it's pimples. Leave me alone. This next color, I swatched a couple, okay, because I was really going for All That Glistens in Gold, which is this shade right here. Oh shit, I might go in that one. I was also looking at Cheers to 24, which is the shade right here. I think like all of these would look really good. And then I was looking at Better Than Gold, which is the one on my pinky. But I want to do something a little bit darker, so I am going to go with this one right here, which is Cheers to 24. I'm also using the same exact brush that I used to apply the other one. So I'm going to be going in this way, working my way towards the center until everything is really well blended. I really love that gradient look with eyeshadows. Like, I don't want you to be able to see the division between two colors. Like, I want them to melt into each other. So as you can see, I'm not even taking any more eyeshadow. I'm just using whatever's on the brush until the color is all gone from the brush. You want to start at this outer part first, like I did, and then slowly work your way in. to create this effect. Okay, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Okay, we're gonna go back into that first brush I ever used. It's a flat packing brush, and we're gonna go back into that dark shade and just push it into the outer corner like this to close off the eye. I'm kind of thinking I need to take a little bit more of that dark brown and blend out the outer edge a little bit better. Beautiful. Okay, so now let's take the liquid eyeliner duo. We are gonna go right into the crease area. I'm kind of nervous about this. I haven't done like a glittery crease in quite a minute, so bear with me. Ooh, girl. We are messing up already. Honestly, it's kind of difficult to put on. Like, it's not like a really loose applicator. It's kind of stiff. So in order to put this, you really have to kind of like put it in a weird position. Like your face has to be like, oh no, girl. Ooh, I love it. I'm going to use this Laura Mercier Metallic Taupe Caviar Eye Stick. I love these for the waterline. I'm going to just apply it right in here, and it just glides on so smooth. I'm going to take the color Winning once again, and I'm going to be applying it right underneath here. That one's a little bit too thin. Let me use a different brush. So, going into Winning, and at the outer corner, I'm taking Moment in Time once again and just darkening up the outer edge right here. Very quickly off camera, I'm going to go ahead and clean up the underneath the eye. Well, first I'm going to do this bottom eye, and then we're going to clean up under the eye. I'm going to pop some lashes, and I'll be right back to show you guys the lipstick I'm going to go with. Okay, so the lip liner I decided to go with, this one is from ColourPop, and I'm using the color CTRL. This one comes in a pack of a bunch of lip pencils. I'll have it linked down below because I think it comes with like 10 of them. There's just a lot. I'll put the picture here of what the pack looks like. And again, I'll have it linked down below. The color I'm going to be taking from the lip set from the Kylie collection. This one's called Rare AF. I'm so excited to see this one on my lips. And by the way, if you guys are interested in the lashes that I'm wearing, they are from my shop and they're in the style Mesmerized. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial using the entire, well, not the entire collection, some of the products that I purchased from the 24K collection for Kylie's birthday. If you guys did enjoy this video, don't forget to give my video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and let me know what next launch you guys want me to review here on my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you hopefully in my next video. Bye! Have you shopped with me yet? Go ahead and take a look. I have so many eyelashes, different styles to complement any occasion. I also sell eyelash glue. I have press-on nail sets that I hand paint with love myself. I sell press-on nail kits, which you can do your own DIY nails, or maybe you want to sell your own press-on nails. I have so much to offer on my website, so go ahead and visit www.soñadoraofficial.com.